All right, I am at Natchez State Park near Natchez, Mississippi, and which is across the Mississippi from Vidalia, Louisiana, where I got the wood for this particular project, which is a sofa server table made from an RV for the RV. There's another project I'm going to do at the same time, which has turned out to be, I didn't know this ahead of time until I got the wood, but a black walnut like little table that we can have outside where we can put our cups and our little snacks and things like that when we sit around the campfire. So there you go. So this is there's the dam, cool dam, and then there's a flowage, ranger station, and other stuff. All right, we're at campsite number 30. We're all ready to do some more woodworking. This is where we're at so far. We varnished these this morning. This is the Sinker, oh boy, I'll think of it, the species. Anyhow, and then there's some black walnut. Cypress, Sinker Cypress. And I even kept the bugs. Pretty sure they're dead by now. There's some paint on the back of this because this was a reclaimed Sinker Cypress from a house. There's nail holes here, there. Here's some more. This is the black walnut. That's going to be a double wide tray. Sinker Cypress and more black walnut. So that's our project so far.